Hello, and welcome to the LSP Family. My name is Brett Roball, and I am the CEO of Little Sunshine's Playhouse and Preschool. On behalf of the entire home office team, I want to express our gratitude for your new commitment to our students, families, and team members, and to being a promise keeper of superior care in early education. Though our schools span from California to Georgia, our core values of compassion, humility, integrity, loyalty, and discipline remain the same. These values are fundamental not only to the success of our students, but also to your professional development and success as an early childhood educator at Little Sunshines. These values are also our commitment to you. Starting a new job is exciting and rewarding, but it can also be overwhelming. So we created resources to provide you support as you begin your journey with us. A member of your school's leadership team is readily available to help you navigate the training process and to be a constant resource. Once again, we are excited to have you as part of our team, and on behalf of the entire LSP family, welcome.
As Brett mentioned, we are so excited for you to be a part of the LSP family. We recognize joining a team can be a bit nerve-wracking. I'm here to help. In this quick video, I'm going to go over the onboarding process with you so that you have a better idea of what to expect in your first week at Little Sunshine's Playhouse. Prior to arriving on your first day, you should have received and completed your required onboarding documents. If you haven't completed them, you'll be asked to do that when you arrive, and just finish anything else outstanding, which may include fingerprinting. But don't worry, we have instructions for that too. You'll also be given a tour of our magical castle by a member of your school's leadership team. During the tour, they'll introduce you to our amazing staff and teachers, show you the classrooms, break room, and restroom. On your second day, a member of the leadership team will go over our staff handbook with you. Our staff handbook covers a wide variety of topics, including our policies and procedures and state licensing requirements. You'll also spend some time watching some training videos. As you're watching, I encourage you to make notes of any questions that may arise and discuss them with a member of the leadership team. We want to make sure that we address any questions you may have on the front end. Day 3 and 4 of your onboarding training will be more focused on operations. A member of your leadership team will go over all of our platforms and documents that you'll use to communicate and record daily activities. This includes everything from our Love Notes platform to incident accident reports and everything in between. On day 5, your leadership team will wrap up any outstanding items and answer any additional questions you may have. Then you'll be introduced and get to observe your assigned classroom. Get excited to meet your little ones. On days 6 through 10, you'll continue to spend more time in your class, learning your students and being trained in action. At the end of day 10, your leadership team members will make sure that you feel comfortable proceeding in the classroom with your coworker. And that was a quick overview of our onboarding process. We realize that was a lot of information, but don't worry, your leadership team will walk you through this process each day and ensure you're feeling comfortable and confident in your new role with us. With our mutual level of commitment to one another, I know you'll be set up on the track of LSP success. Again, welcome to the LSP family.